Armacuts insulation fittings, video tutorial number 2, installing Armacuts fittings. Before we begin, let's sharpen our knife to ensure clean cuts for a seamless fit. We highly recommend using the 6-inch Precision Dexter knife. It works wonders for insulation seams. Let's kick things off with the 45-degree fitting. Proper installation ensures optimal performance and a professional finish. You can mark your cuts with a marker to make your cut lines visible. Always measure twice and cut once. Now let's cut the seam right in the middle of the fitting, just about here. Next, perform a quick dry fit to ensure everything aligns perfectly before applying adhesive. Dry fitting helps avoid mistakes and ensures a perfect bond. Here's a crucial step: applying adhesive. Shake the adhesive well and apply it evenly to both sides of the cut. Pro tip: applying adhesive to only one side won't provide a solid bond. Both sides are essential for a secure fit. It's now time to install the fitting around the pipe. Make sure it aligns properly. Gently press the fitting into place. Join the cut seam together where you applied the glue previously and hold it together until it dries. Let's move on to the 90-degree fitting. We'll follow the same process: sharp knife, clean cuts, and even application of adhesive. You can mark your cuts with a marker to make your cut lines visible. Once again, sharpen your knife, make your seam, and perform a quick dry fit. Everything looking good? Great! Another perfect fit. Now apply the adhesive on both sides and install the fitting. Once the adhesive is applied and is tacked up, it's time to install the fitting onto the pipe. Make sure it's a snug and precise fit. Pro tip: the adhesive dries quickly. Within 30 seconds, it's secure and ready for the next step. Finally, let's tackle the T-fitting. For this seam, you'll make 2 cuts, one across here and another one up here. We'll install this one right here. After a quick dry fit, apply adhesive, ensure it's tacky, and install the fitting. Pro tip: whenever possible, try to hide seams in high traffic areas for a cleaner, more professional look. Perfect! Just look at that finish. And that wraps up our tutorial. If you're eager to learn more advanced techniques, please subscribe and tune in to our paid classes, where we teach you how to fabricate fittings from scratch so you can start your own insulation business. Thank you for choosing Armacuts. Niche trade, low competition, well paid. Good luck, and we'll see you in the next class.